The only good is knowledge, and the only evil is ignorance.
The secret of happiness, you see, is not found in seeking more, but in developing the capacity to enjoy less. I cannot teach anybody anything. I can only make them think. Contentment is natural wealth. Luxury is artificial poverty. I am not an Athenian or a Greek, but a citizen of the world. Every action has its pleasures and its price. Prefer knowledge to wealth, for the one is transitory, the other perpetual. We cannot live better than in seeking to become better. The secret of happiness, you see, is not found in seeking more, but in developing the capacity to enjoy less. An honest man is always a child. Falling down is not a failure. Failure comes where you stay. Where have you fallen? Awareness of ignorance is the beginning of the wisdom. Most people, including ourselves, live in a world of relative ignorance. We are even comfortable with that ignorance, because it is all we know when we first start facing truth. The process may be frightening, and many people run back to their old lives. But if you continue to seek truth, you will eventually be able to handle it. In fact, you want more. It's true that many people around you now may think you are weird or even a danger to society, but you don't care. Once you've tasted the truth, you won't ever want to go back to being ignorant. In every person there is a sun. Just let them shine. When the debate is lost, slander becomes the tool of the loser. Marry a good woman and be happy the rest of your life, or marry a bad and become a good philosopher. When you want success as badly as you want the air, then you will get it. There is no other secret of success. There is no possession more valuable than a good and faithful friend. The easiest and noblest way is not to be crushing others, but to be improving yourselves. It is better to make a mistake with full force of your being than to carefully avoid mistakes with a trembling spirit.